Issiqqina shashliklar bor, keling, mazzali taomlar kafesiga xush kelibsiz. Welcome to a new class, and today we'll learn how to make an order in a cafe of national dish. Are you ready? Boshladik. So, before we start learning phrases, vocabulary, let's listen to a talk between a client and a waiter and see what they are talking about. And then we'll come back and learn specific words, specific phrases from their talk. And there will be no subtitles, there will be no slides first. Check yourself if you can understand by just listening to people talking in Uzbek. How much can you understand? And then listen to my comments explaining the vocabulary, phrases, and compare whether you understood everything or you understood something partially. Okay? Boshladik. Dialog. Voy, qornim ochib ketdi. Shu kafega kirib ovqatlanamiz. Xudoga shukr. Assalomu alaykum. Yaxshimisiz? Xush kelibsiz. Assalomu alaykum. Shashlik bormi? Bor. Qanaqa shashlik kerak? Qanaqa shashliklar bor? Qo'y go'shtidan, mol go'shtidan, tovuqli. Ikkita qo'y go'shtli, ikkita mol go'shtli. Mol go'shtidan qanaqasidan? Jazmi yoki qiyma? Mol go'shtlidan bitta jaz, bitta qiyma. Aha. Yozib oldim. Nonchi? Nonmi? Non kerak, choy ham kerak. Choy qanaqasidan? Ko'k yoki qora? Choy limonli, shakar alohida. Xo'p. Aha. Xo'p, tushundim. Hozir. So, welcome back. How are you? Was it good? Was it easy? Was it hard? Osonmidi? Qiyinmidi? Now, let's go and learn some vocab. Milliy taomlar is national dish. Taom is dish. So, together it will be national cuisine. Qo'y is sheep. Qo'y go'shti is lamb. Mol go'shti. Go'sht is meat. But mol go'shti is beef. Qo'y go'shti is lamb. Non, Uzbek bread. And qora choy, black tea, cook choy, green tea. And green tea actually, cook, the word cook applies only to tea. Green tea applies to cook somsa and it applies to cook eyes, right? Blue eyes. But in other contexts, it's cook is blue. We also have the word yashil. For example, traffic lights. Qizil, yashil, sariq, right? Red, green, and yellow. And that green is not cook, is yashil. Grass is yashil, but choy is cook. So jazz, that's not jazz music. Jazz, type of shashlik. And it's like regular, you know, it has like 5 or 6 pieces. And then qima is minced when it's just one whole, it's not chopped, right? But the meat itself is minced. So we call jazz qima. Now, let's learn the talk between those two. So, Saida says, or the client says, Assalamu alaikum, shashlik bormi? Shashlik, another way to say it is kebab. Assalamu alaikum, ha bor, qanaqa shashlik kerak? Qanaqa shashliklar bor? What kinds do you have, right? What kind of shashlik do you have? What kinds do you have? Okay, qo'y go'shtidan. Qo'y go'shtidan means from lamb. Mol go'shtidan from beef. Va tovuqli and with chicken. Ikkita qo'y go'shtidan 2 sticks of lamb shashlik va ikkita mol go'shtidan. And usually lamb shashlik is given as whole, not minced. And mince is mol go'shtidan. So mol go'shti qanaqasidan? Jazmi yoki qiyma? what kind of beef shashlik would you like? And the client is saying bitta jaz, bitta qima, one of each, one regular and one minced. So on this photo, you can see this is minced. This looks like minced, yes. Salad gerekmi? Do you need salad? Ha, bitta achichuk. So achichuk is written like this, but when we pronounce it, it's less. So it has less syllables. Achichuk. Achichuk. That's how we pronounce it. But actually, it's taken from the word achik. Achik is spicy. Nonche. Non. Do you need bread? Non ham gerek. Yes, we need bread. Choyche. What about tea? U ham gerek. Choy qanaqasidan? What kind of tea? Cook, qora, green, black. Qora choy bering, limonli. Give us qora, black tea with lemon. Shakari alohida. Sugar separately. Hop. So this is it. This is the whole talk. And actually, it's so short, so easy. And if you have a chance to make an order in Uzbek, in an Uzbek cafe, do it, because that's the most easiest, most effective way to start talking in Uzbek. And I would like us to listen to the interview, to the order of those two people again. And then I'll go back and read the slides without translation, so we can, you can go through those known or unknown moments one more time, okay? Listen to the dialogue once. Ketdik. Voy, qornim ochib ketdi. Shu kafega kirib ovqatlanamiz. Oh, Xudoga shukr. Assalomu alaykum. Yaxshimisiz? Xush kelibsiz. Assalomu alaykum. Shashlik bormi? Bor. Qanaqa shashlik kerak? Qanaqa shashliklar bor? Qo'y go'shtidan, mol go'shtidan, tovuqli. Ikkita qo'y go'shtli, ikkita mol go'shtli. Mol go'shtidan qanaqasidan? Jazmi yoki qiyma? Mol go'shtlidan bitta jaz, bitta qiyma. Aha. Yozib oldim. Nonchi? Nonmi? Non kerak, choy ham kerak. Choy qanaqasidan? Ko'k yoki qora? Choy limonli, shakar alohida. Xo'p. Aha. Xo'p, tushundim. Hozir. Okay. So we heard the dialogue 2 times already by this time. Let's read the dialogue, the text of the dialogue quickly, and then find out what was the best in this video under this comments section, okay? Okay, I'm starting. Assalomu alaykum, shashlik bormi? Assalomu alaykum. Ha, bor. Qanaqa shashlik kerak? Qanaqa shashliklar bor? Qo'y go'shtidan, mol go'shtidan, tovuqli. Ikkita qo'y go'shtidan, ikkita mol go'shtidan. Mol go'shti qanaqasidan? Jazmi yoki qiyma? Bitta jaz, bitta qiyma. Salat kerakmi? Ha, bitta achichuk kerak. Nonchi? Non ham kerak. Choychi? U ham kerak. Choy qanaqasidan? Ko'k, qora? Qora choy bering, limonli, shakar alohida. Xo'p. And this is it. I hope you like this lesson. I hope you have a chance to make an order in Uzbek. If you do live in Uzbekistan, if you don't, maybe there's Uzbek diaspora or Uzbek cafes around your neighborhood or somewhere in the city where you can actually go and make an order in Uzbek. Let me know what kind of phrases do you need or you would like to say when you make an order of food. And let's continue discussing this lesson in the comments below. Like'ingizni kutib qolaman, izohlarda siz bilan bu mavzuda gaplashishni kutib qolaman va boshqa materiallar uchun va yangi ma'lumotlar o'zbek tili bo'yicha darslarga xush kelibsizlar. Xush ko'rdik sizlarni. Keyingi darslarda ko'rishguncha xayr, sog' bo'linglar.